Yes, YouTube, FadaGugs is here again with another video. Today, I'm going to be making celery juice. Celery is a powerful antioxidant. It may help you lower your cholesterol, it may help you lower your blood pressure, and it can also help you with weight loss. So, I've got 2 celery sticks here, which already been washed. We have 1 lemon, a piece of ginger, and we have optional the cucumber. Why am I say it optional? Because the celery is very strong. So I'm just use the cucumber to kind of smooth it out. So what we are going to do now, we are going to cut up everything, drop them in the blender, and then see what I go on. So you just cut up the thing, make it a bit easier for the blender. You can put a bit of the leaf in it if you want. So drop them in the blender. With the ginger, which already been washed, just slice it up. Easier. Same with the cucumber. The lemon, peel off the outside skin of the lemon. You can use a lemon juice, but I like to use the actual lemon itself. So just cut off the outside skin. And just a piece here, so. And then just cut it in half. Drop it in the blender. So this is it. So we are going to now, we'll just add about 1 to 2 cups of water in it. Yeah. At this stage, you can put a bit of honey in it if you want, just for kind of make it a bit more smooth. So put on the top. Yeah, so that's it. So we are doing now, drop that on the blender and just blend up everything. Yeah, so this is it. This is the final thing when you're done blend it. You get me? So we are doing now, we're going to strain it off and just put it in a glass. You see me? So I have my strainer. Just can get a spoon as well, just for kind of help it go through. So we are doing now, we just use a spoon and just try and just mix it up for it go down, because it's a bit thick. Smelling nice, man. Nice and rich. Yeah. So as I'm saying, you can put whatever you want tonight still. You get me? Just for kind of get it a bit smooth, get all the harsh taste right off still. Yeah. But today I just put the cucumber. Try to get out every bit of juice in it. Yeah, I guess that's it now. So, final product. Yeah. That's it. Final product. Celery juice. Make sure you like, subscribe, and you can put your comments at the bottom. It would be appreciated. For now, I'm out.